So in this video, I'm going to explain the things, the project which is related to phase 3. In that, I made it the projects. There are 4 projects like this, but inside that, the quiz master is the main project. So first page is this, where I created the button and giving ID. The ID is important because I'm making this project with the JS file. So these 4 button like quiz master, simple to do list, basic tip calculator, quote of the day. So inside that I'm also apply styling. For styling there is the things in body, there is background and display flex, justified content center and align atom center is used for taking the div in between the web page. After that, the container is the ID of that div. So I used here and the apply the things in it. And here the start screen and result container, that is in my HTML page. This is one the class of that container for these 4 buttons. So I make that, and after that give the styling of button and also hover and disabled. For the in the JS file, I used here window.location.href. Inside that, I have to write the HTML of that page. Like I have to connect the page of Quizmaster, so I have to write the HTML page of that. And next one is to-do list and the basic tip calculator and code HTML. So for clicking, making the button clickable, I using this. So for window.location.href is used like when I click on this, then my second page is opened, that is welcome to the app quiz, and the code of this page is here. Like inside in this I also make a div, inside that made a button that is clickable, and when we it is using for the start quiz. For that I used here styling the all the things which I explained the first page of that. There is body, container, the div and the start screen, and also for button. And in it also I used window.location and .href because I want to start the quiz. Like when I click on this button, this page will be open. So for that I used this. Now the this page code is like that. This is also in a div and there is 4 option that is related to 4 button. Inside that I used 4 answers. And this, now the JS part. Here I stored all the questions and the options in a object that is called object array. Like question is my object name, and these things are stored in a square bracket and the curly bracket. So curly bracket used for object and the square bracket is used for array. Now I access the these things like question answer button next, that is inside that HTML page. So I here access that things. Here I used current question index, that is the starting question. Like when our page is opened, that then first question is will start and the score is 0. Like when I click on that answer, so it is showing like this, red and green. So for clickable I used here function and so question the things all. And here I applied for each loop for the answers, like it will go all the answers. And when I click on button, here I make that is the I using here and add event listener for clicking. When I click on that button, it will show red and green. When that is the correct one, it will show green, and the wrong one is showing red. For that I using style, that is in CSS part. So here I using the things, I giving the ID like correct or incorrect. For the correct, that is green and the incorrect is red. Now next is